مرحبا بكم في قناة تاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
We can 4 Unit 2. From here to there. من هنا إلى هناك. الآن قم بالسؤال عن مكان ما وكيف تصل إليه.
1. Excuse me, where's the train station? Walk straight and turn left. How do you go to school? I walk. How about you? I go by school bus. 2. Excuse me, where's the train station? Walk straight and turn left. How do you go to school? I walk. How about you? I go by school bus. 3.
Excuse me, where's the train station? Walk straight and turn left. How do you go to school? I walk. How about you? I go by school bus.
اكتب الحرف الناقص في هذه الجملة. نتدرب على نطق ست.
ST says station, station.
ST says station, station.
ST says step, step.
ST says step, step.
ST says stop, stop.
ST says stop, stop.
Station, step, stop.
Station, step, stop.
Now listen and write the missing letter. Walk straight 2 steps and stop.
Walk straight 2 steps and stop. Walk straight 2 steps and stop.
Good. Let's check.
الآن أغمض عينيك وحاول أن تتابع وصف المعلم.
Are you ready? Let's start. Close your eyes.
We can't see.
Try to follow with your eyes closed. Turn left. Turn left. Walk straight 3 steps. Turn right. Now open your eyes. Close your eyes. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Walk straight 2 steps. Turn left. Turn right. Now open your eyes. Okay, good. Let's play for real.
نتدرب على أنشودة الإشارة المرور.
When you see a red light. When you see a red light, red light, red light. When you see a red light, stop, stop, stop. When you see a yellow light, yellow light, yellow light. When you see a yellow light, wait, wait, wait. When you see a green light, green light, green light. When you see a green light, go, go, go.
When you see a red light, red light, red light. When you see a red light, stop, stop, stop. When you see a yellow light, yellow light, yellow light. When you see a yellow light, wait, wait, wait. When you see a green light, green light, green light. When you see a green light, go, go, go!
تدرب على نطق ش و ch و sl.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. Number 1. SH says sh, ship. Sh, ship.
Number 1. SH says ship. Ship.
Number 2. CH says ch, chip. Chip.
Number 2. CH says chip. Chip.
Number 3. SL says sul, slip. Sul, slip.
Number 3. SL says sul, slip. Sul, slip.
Now listen and write the missing letters. Are you ready? Sheep.
Sheep.
Cheese.
Cheese.
That's right. Cheese, and...
Sleep.
That's right. Sheep, cheese, sleep.
الآن قم بتطبيق أنشودة إشارة المرور مع أصحابك.
Are you ready? Let's start.
When you see a red light, stop. When you see a yellow light, wait. When you see a green light, go. Wow, that was fun.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
الآن نؤشر على سيارات أو أدوات المواصلات ونستخدم مع جميع الكلمات التي تبدأ بأي حرف، ولكن آن مع الكلمات التي فيها حرف في البداية مثل ambulance. An ambulance.
1.
Watch out! It's a truck. Watch out! It's a truck.
2.
Watch out! It's a bus. Watch out! It's a bus.
3.
Watch out! It's a train. Watch out! It's a train.
4.
Watch out! It's a motorbike. Watch out! It's a motorbike.
5.
Watch out! It's a car. Watch out! It's a car.
6.
Watch out! It's a bicycle. Watch out! It's a bicycle.
7.
Watch out! It's a taxi. Watch out! It's a taxi.
8.
Watch out! It's a police car. Watch out! It's a police car.
9.
Watch out! It's an ambulance. Watch out! It's an ambulance.
الآن تدرب على الكلمات مع صاحبك.
It's a truck. It's a bus. It's a train. It's a motorbike. It's a car. It's a bicycle. It's a taxi. It's a police car. It's an ambulance.
الآن قم بوضع إصبعك على الصورة التي يقولها الصوت، ثم تحرك من صورة إلى صورة. أين ستكون وجهتك التالية؟ وأين ستنتهي الرحلة؟
Are you ready? Let's start. Take a bicycle to the taxi stand. Take a taxi to the hospital. Walk to the school. Take a school bus to the train station. Take a train to the airport. Take an airplane to the space station. Take a rocket to the moon. Where are you now?
تدرب على نطق بلا وكلا وفلا وجلا وبلا.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. Bull, bull, black, black.
Bull, bull. Black, black.
Full, full, flag, flag.
Full, full. Flag, flag.
Gull, gull, glass, glass.
Gull, gull. Glass, glass.
Cool, cool, class, class.
Cool, cool. Class, class.
Pull, pull, plant, plant.
Pull, pull. Plant, plant.
Pull, pull, plate, plate.
Pull, pull. Plate, plate.
Cool, cool, clock, clock.
Cool, cool. Clock, clock.
Full, full, fly, fly.
Full, full. Fly, fly.
Bull, bull, blue, blue.
Bull, bull. Blue, blue.
Gull, gull, glue, glue.
Gull, gull. Glue, glue.
Now listen and write the missing letters. Black, black, glass, glass, flag, flag.
Black, black. Glass, glass. Flag, flag.
Plant, plant, clock, clock, glue, glue.
Plant, plant. Clock, clock. Glue, glue.
Fly, fly, plate, plate.
Fly, fly. Plates, plates.
Good. Let's check.
اكتب 5 كلمات من هذه الصور التي في
1. B, e, d, bed, bed. 2. B, a, s, bus, bus. 3. P, u, a, n, t, plant, plant. 4. K, a, car, car. 5. B, I, S, I, K, ul, E. Bicycle, bicycle.
كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي مع تمنياتنا لكم بالتوفيق والتفوق.